This is the nervous system.
Kira, not that kind of nervous.
This is the central nervous system, the brain, which is a nerve tissue protected by membranes and cranium. First section is the cerebrum, largest and highest section of the brain. It directs reasoning, thought, memory, speech, sensation, sight, smell, hearing, and voluntary body movement. The cerebellum, section below the back of the cerebrum, it directs muscle coordination, balance, and posture, muscle tone. The dicephalon, the section located below the cerebrum and midbrain, has two structures. One, thymus, which acts as a relay center and directs sensory impulses to the cerebrum. Two, hypothalamus, regulates and controls the autonomic nervous system, temperature, appetite, water, balance, sleep, and blood vessel construction and dilation. Midbrain, located below the cerebrum, at the top of the brainstem, it directs conducting impulses between brain parts and certain eye and auditory reflexes. Pons, located below the midbrain and in the brainstem, direct conducting messages to other parts of the brain. Medulla oblongata, lowest part of the brainstem, connects with the spinal cord, regulates heartbeat, respiration, swallowing, coughing, and blood pressure. The spinal cord continues from the medulla oblongata and ends at the first or second lumbar vertebrae. It reflects actions and for carrying sensory messages to the brain and messages from the brain and to the nerves. Reflects actions and for carrying sensory messages to the brain and messages from the brain and to the nerves that go to the muscles and glands.
The peripheral nervous system is made up of the somatic and autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is the responsibilities of the senses and sensations. The autonomic nervous system is in charge of homeostasis, and it balances involuntary functions and reactions to emergencies.
This is one of the nerve cells of the nervous system. This right here are the dendrites. They accept the electromagnetic impulses. Over here is the axon. They send the electromagnetic impulses. These are all the regular organelles and things of a regular cell. And this is the myelin sheath. It helps send the electrical impulses through from the dendrites to the axon.
There are more nerve cells in the brain than in the Milky Way.
Only 4% of the brain cells in the nervous system work.
Newborn babies lose half their nerve cells before they're born.
Every year, the brain loses 1 gram.
Neurons are the largest cells in the body, and they can be up to 3 feet long.